Welcome all. In this video, we are going to solve the 8th question of exercise 1.3 in page number 21 and 22 of chapter 1 integers. It says that a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. As you already know, the profit must be in positive integers whereas the loss should be negative integers. So it says that the profit is rupees 8 per bag of white cement. So let's take it as plus 8 and the loss as 5 per bag of grey cement. So it's minus 5. Moreover, let's consider the number of white cement bags to be X and the number of grey cement bags to be Y. So the total profit will be plus 8 into the number of white cement bags, that is X. Whereas the loss will be minus 5 into the number of grey cement bags, that is Y. Let's keep this in mind. Only if you add these two, at last we'll get to know whether it's a profit or a loss. Keeping that in mind, the first subdivision. It says the company sells 3000 bags of white and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? We'll get to know that only after the final product. So X, the number of grey bags, number of white cement bags is found to be 3000. Whereas Y, that is the number of grey cement bags, is 5000. So the final product will be X into plus 8 plus Y into minus 5. Substituting X and Y here, you'll get 3000 into 8 plus 5000 into minus 5. As you can see from this equation, you can take something common, that is 1000. Using distributive property, you can do this. It will be 3 into 8 plus 5 into minus 5, which will give you 1000 into 24 plus minus 25. Plus into minus is negative. So 24 minus 25 gives you minus 1. So the final product is minus 1000. So it says that if you get a negative, it's a loss. So the company has incurred a loss of rupees 1000. This is your final answer for this first subdivision. The second subdivision. It says that the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey cement bags sold is 6400 bags. So you don't know what is X, you have to find X, whereas Y is equal to 6400 and it says that it should be neither a profit nor a loss. So the final product is 0, so that it's neither a profit nor a loss. So the equation is X into plus 8 plus Y into minus 5 is equal to 0. Substituting X and Y, as you already know, you have to find X. So keep X there, into 8 plus Y is 6400 into minus 5, which gives you 0. Again you can take 8 as common using distributive property, which will give you 8 into X plus 800 into minus 5 is equal to 0. As 8 into 8 is 64 and 8 into 800 here is 6400. If you take 8 to the other side, it will become 0 again. So it's X plus 800 into minus 5, which is equal to 0, which will give you X plus minus 4000. If you take X to the 4000 minus 4000 to the other side, it will become plus 4000. So X is equal to 4000. That is the number of white bags to be sold, cement bags to be sold is 4000. So that the company will neither get a profit nor a loss if it sells 6400 bags of grey cement. That's it for today's video. Hope you understood the concept here. If you have any doubts, please leave in the comments. Hope you like the video. Thank you.